At the core of every construction lies its foundation. IJM Industry specializes in providing comprehensive, sustainable solutions for customizing supply chains for essential construction materials, catering to all facets of infrastructure development. IJM Industry consists of 6 major fields. Spearheading the division is Industrial Concrete Products Sender and Berhad, the largest manufacturers of high-performance, pre-tensioned spun, high-strength concrete piles in Southeast Asia, gracing iconic buildings, ports, and bridges in the region. IJM IBS Sender and Berhad specializes in customized, prefabricated building solutions, offering a smart and efficient approach that revolutionizes the future of the construction industry. Malaysia Rock Products Sender and Berhad, standing as one of the largest quarry operators in Malaysia. Our expansion into limestone quarrying supports a wide range of industry needs. IJM Mineral Sender and Berhad operates its own quarry, providing high-purity calcium carbonate products serving various heavy industries. Strong Mixed Concrete Sender and Berhad, a top-tier concrete supplier in the market, now is supplying green concrete to construction sites, which helps reduce CO2 emissions. Scaffold Master Sender and Berhad caters to scaffolding needs, providing a heavy-duty scaffold shoring system, table form scaffold system, and modular scaffold system. Together, IJM Industry gains a significant competitive advantage through the establishment of a fully integrated supply chain ecosystem. Our team drives the successful completion of large-scale projects across the globe. To date, our products have been exported to more than 15 countries. We had manufactured over 34 million metric tons of piles, 7.8 million cubic meters of ready-mix concrete, and over 130 million metric tons of granite and industrial-use stones. Every project is unique. We constantly innovate to tailor our products and services, delivering inspired solutions to our customers. With that, our products are green certified, and our ICP piles have set a benchmark in the Malaysia Book of Records. At IJM Industry, our commitment to social engagement extends beyond the factory floor. We believe in giving back to the community that sustains us. These values are our continuous drive for excellence.
We are your best industry partner.
We are IJM Industry.